Hello, hi, welcome back to my channel, everyone. As I was walking along my neighborhood, I ran into this very friendly squirrel in somebody's backyard. I know the man who lives here. He every what do you do? Hi, every afternoon he put out food for the squirrel and the bird and uh, and the fox. That's right. And I am animal lover, everyone. I love animals, so the owner of the place told me that I can come by anytime and watch him feed the animal. Well, here I am. You are in for a treat of the day. Oh, look at the squirrel. I feel like I'm Alice in Wonderland, everyone. On the squirrel are out for the feeding. Up in the tree too. Would you look at that? He have a lovely backyard, by the way. They have a huge tree facing the woods, very peace and quiet. I feel like Alice in Wonderland. I love his backyard. It's so peaceful, and everyone. There's a blue jays right there, and down here we have tons of squirrel and a red cardinal. Oh my goodness, red cardinal is a Virginia bird. Everyone, red cardinal is a Virginia bird. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This man, thanks to him, I can sit here and enjoy beautiful bird shows. And I mean, look at that cardinal, that red cardinal. Oh, there's more than one. Oh, they're all coming out for the feeding frenzy. And look at all this squirrel. Look at all this hungry squirrel everywhere. They are everywhere. Just like a whole family of it, everyone. There's a whole family of it. Let me zoom in out so you can see more squirrel. I like to zoom in because I would like to get a close-up look. But yeah, a whole family are out here feeding. So I just want to show everyone the backyard, what it looked like. He have a bunch of bird feeder over there, and then bird bath. There's a bird bath right here, so they can drink when they're thirsty. And I love this huge tree, everyone. It gotta be 200 years old. It's so big and it's so shady. Hi there. Hello. Hi. Thank you for coming up and say hello to me. You are so friendly, aren't you? I guess the owner of the place has been feeding you well. Yeah, that's why you're not afraid of him. So thank you for coming up and say hello. Yeah, I'm not gonna hurt you. I love animal, you know. Oh, look at this one climbing up the trees. They are so active. They are like all over the place. I love animal, everyone, big or small, because I am a Buddhist, coming from 3 generations of Buddhism in my family. And the most fundamental, the most basic fundamental of Buddhism philosophy and teaching is that thou shalt not hurt, harm, or kill any living creature, big or small. Yep, thou shalt not hurt, harm, or kill any living creature, big or small. And that is the most basic foundation of Buddhism philosophy. And also everywhere we go, always treat wherever you are and wherever you go, always treat all human with kindness and compassion. Yep. Because all have we all suffer. We all have our own sorrow, pain, sorrow, and suffering. That's right. Human or animal alike. And we all should live together in harmony. And my message for everyone watching this video is that hello, Red Fox. My message for today for everyone is that stay strong, healthy, and happy wherever you are, whatever you do. Stay strong, healthy, and happy. May love, peace, and harmony will always be with all humankind around the world. And that is a message that I always share most of my video. For those of you who are familiar with my channel and my video, because I want to pass on this word of wisdom and teaching to all humankind around the world. Hello, hi. The fox is finally warming up to me. He's not afraid. Oh, that's too soon. I'm sorry. I don't mean to scare you off. I love animals. I'm not gonna hurt you. I do love animals. So thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, have a wonderful, relaxing evening with your friend, your family, and loved one. Remember to subscribe. The squirrel is playing hide and seek. Remember to subscribe, give it a couple thumbs up, because this will encourage me to make more wonderful, fun video like this in the future for everyone to enjoy around the world. That's right. Until next time, God bless and Buddha blessed. Oh, lovely, lovely evening out here, everyone. So peaceful. So peaceful. Yep. And that's it for today. I love that stone step that he has over there. It's beautiful. That's it for today, everyone. Till next time. Stay strong, healthy, and happy. And yes, Virginia is for lover. Stay strong, healthy, and happy. Oh my goodness. Look, I have a surprise. Look up at the tree. Hello. Hi, I'm not gonna hurt you. Thank you for coming up and say hello. Yep. I am an animal lover. I'm a Buddhist. I'm gonna speak Vietnamese with the score and I'll translate later. Kiếp sau con trở lại làm người nha. Học hỏi Phật Pháp ha, ăn hiền, ở lành, chánh ác. Học hỏi Phật Pháp, cúng dường Tam Bảo. Ok, trở lại làm người, đừng có làm súc vật nữa nha con. Làm súc vật khổ lắm, bị người ta bắn, bị người ta giết ăn thịt. Nha, kiếp sau con trở lại làm người nha. Hi. So basically, I was just telling the score in Vietnamese for my, Vietnamese viewer and Vietnamese community. Hi, is that I wish the score to come back next life as human being and not animal, because he or she won't get killed or hunt for food. So basically, yeah, I just wish the squirrel to come back as a human being next life. So yeah, that's it. I don't know if the squirrel can understand me or not, but he or she seemed to listening to what I was saying. He or she seemed to listening to what I was saying earlier. Bye bye. Bye bye. I gotta go home now. I'm done with my walk. I gotta go home. Bye bye. See you next time. Take care. Wow, everyone. I was so lucky today. Not only I saw a whole bunch of squirrels that come up to me and say hello, but I also saw the red fox, which is rare. Red fox. Yep, a cleans up the red fox and red cardinal and blue jays. So yep, it's been a good day, and I just want to share this beauty with everyone around the world. I just want to leave you with a last message before I end the video, is that please take some time off, take a break from your busy life, busy schedule, busy life, to reconnect with nature. Yep, to reconnect with nature, because it's really uplift your spirit and clear your mind and uplift your spirits, and it's really beneficial to your overall well-being, physically, mentally, and emotionally. And that is the message, the last message I want to share with everyone before I end the video. Good night, and yep, see you at the next video. Bye bye. Bye bye. Hi, bye bye. I gotta go home. I'll see you next time, okay? I'll see you next time, okay? Goodbye, my friend. Take care. Don't worry, be happy. No worry, be happy. Be happy now. Good night, okay? Sweet dream. Yep. May love, peace, and harmony will always be with everyone around the world. Yes, and that's including you too. Adorable score. Bye bye.